My 3-year-old grandson asked his mother whether his younger brother used to be in her stomach. She said, "Yes." He asked, "How did he get there?" "I'll tell you when you're a little older."
2 hours later.
He said, concerned. "Just tell me this, did you eat him?"
Damn!
Apartment life often means little privacy. I realized that one day when my kitten was running around my bedroom. Climbing onto shelves and into the dresser as I was getting ready for work.
Shut up.
I finally exploded at the kitten. "You'd better sit down. You're getting on my nerves." A second later, a voice answered from upstairs. "Okay."